Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Go2Bank. They are offering a $50 easy checking account bonus. This one is nationwide, available for everybody out there. It is super easy. Everybody should take advantage of it. So, when I originally heard the name Go2Bank, I was like, wow, people are running out of names. But nah, it's actually a pretty cool name because why are they called Go2Bank? Well, they want to be your go-to bank. So I'm not going to pay you $50 to do it. Why do people get paid? They get paid to solve problems. What problems do banks have? They need customers. So they're willing to pay people money to sign up. So let's take advantage of that. All right, so quick disclaimer. So I am a customer of Go2Bank. I am not affiliated or endorsed by Go2Bank. This is my personal review. It's for informational purposes only. All the screenshots are from the company's website, and all the information is accurate as of the time of this recording. All right, so moving along. So I'm a high school math teacher. I got a heart to help people see them get blessed financially. So I am having a $2 million challenge for the year 2020 and 2. What that means is I want to see at least 1,000 people get at least $2,000 from these videos I'm putting out in 2022. So what other YouTube channel besides Bank Account Bonus Central here is wanting to help see people get paid? Why? Because everything's getting more expensive. And why? Because it's really cool to make easy money. I mean, if it takes you half an hour between watching this video and signing up, and then you got to jump through one hoop to catch this bonus, you make the equivalent of $100 an hour. I mean, what other channel does that? So if you haven't subscribed, then please do so. If you like the fact that I'm trying to help people get so much money, go ahead and smash a thumbs up on this video. Do appreciate that. Moving on. So basically what this is you're going to turn a single $200 direct deposit into $250. That's how it works. That's really cool. And this does start with a referral link. This is a referral only offer. Only insiders can let other people become insiders. This is my personal referral link. You can screenshot it, write it down, or you can click it in the description box down below. All right, so when you hit that link, you're going to see this. Get $50 for opening up a Go2Bank mobile banking account. It's an app-based thing. This offer is valid for first-time Go2Bank account people. You must open up a new account and receive one qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more within 45 days. Current or previous Go2Bank account holders are not eligible. So this is once per lifetime. Why would you love Go2Bank? Get paid up to 2 days early. Overdraft protection up to $200, which is pretty cool. No monthly fees with eligible direct deposit. Otherwise, $5 per month. We'll talk about that more in a minute. And they do have a pretty cool thing about building credit with the Go2Bank secured Visa credit card. Any way you can use to update or upgrade your credit score is also always a good thing. So here is the fine print. As said, this is once per lifetime. It is a nationwide offer. $200 direct deposit, 45 days. They do pay. I didn't underline it, but it does say right here. The reward is paid to each party within 48 hours after qualifying funds are first deposited into the account. So they pay, and they pay quickly. So that's pretty sweet right there. All right, moving along. The $5 monthly fee. If you continue to have a direct deposit in there, they will waive the fee. Unless if you don't, then it's $5 per month. We'll talk about a strategy about that in a little bit. So refer a friend. You both get $50. Basically, use the link, open the account, send the direct deposit. Both get $50. That is an awesome thing. So I love this thing where it's one hand washes the other. We both benefit from this. Banks get a new customer. It's win, 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 win. Love it. All right, so when you click the link, this is what you're going to see. Go2Bank, they call themselves the ultimate mobile bank account. What you want to do is plug in your email address, click I'm not a robot. Each time I see the I'm not a robot thing, I picture there's an image of a robot pushing the button, says I'm not a robot. Then you click get started. Super easy to sign up. They got 4 steps here. First name, last name. Make sure your name matches your state ID, especially for the direct deposit, which you're going to need. Your home address, look at the agreements here, click those, and then hit continue. That's step 2. Then your mobile phone number, boom, plug it in. They're going to send you a text message. You plug in the code that's on there, and then hit continue. Moving along, verify your identity, date of birth, plug in your social security number, hit continue. Go2Bank is the FDIC insured company that actually handles your money. FDIC, that's what you want. You're protected up to $250,000. They do offer a bunch of those Visa debit cards and MasterCard ones. And then processing your application. You want to create a password, log into your account, processing your application, and then you're going to see that your account has been created. Super easy approval thing. You're going to get your debit card within 7 to 10 days. You don't actually have to use it. I never used mine with them. Go to my account. And then you want to direct deposit. Make sure your direct deposit goes straight to them. And this is where I feel a little bit jealous of people who can split up their direct deposits. They have, 1,000 go here, 200 go here, whatever. So you can basically turn your direct deposit into its own side hustle. Now you can say, hey, John, man, you're making these videos, $50. That sounds super easy. I have my own business. I don't have a employer direct deposit. Well, check out the video up here I made about Square Payroll Solutions. Take advantage of what they have to offer in regards to direct deposits, because why not have a payroll company handle your business, and you can get direct deposits that you can, wherever you want to go. You would handle your own direct deposits, and you can dally up wherever you want whatever amount to go to. So there's definitely solutions to that. All right, then they're going to send you email. Boom, John, your Go2 bank account's ready to go. And then, as I said, this starts with a referral link. Insiders help other people become insiders. So definitely take advantage of this link so you can make easy $50. As I said, if the whole process takes you 30 minutes, you just made the equivalent of $100 an hour. When was the last time you got paid $100 an hour just to do something so simple? All right, so bank account bonus central verdict, super easy, quick paying nationwide $50 bonus. Collect the bonus, and if you don't want the $5 monthly fee, then just as soon as you collect your bonus, I don't believe that there is a clawback period for this. Verify that with them. Then just you have your $200 go in there, or however much your direct deposit is over 200. You have your $50 bonus on top of it. Transfer that out, and then shut it down. As I said, this is once per lifetime, so definitely consider that. Don't ever close out a bank account with a negative balance, because it'll make it a lot harder for you to. It looks bad on your check score. I don't remember if Go2Bank actually pulls on checks. I made a video about checks. Once per lifetime offer, everybody should take advantage of this. It's super easy. Just doesn't take many steps, not that hard. All right, so today's question is the Bible a book of truth, or is it just stories that people made up? I mean, some people think it's the truth, as I do. Other people say it's just fairy tales, it's fantasy. Well, science, the telescope was invented over, many thousands of years after the Old Testament was written. And there's an interesting thing. Why do I bring up telescope? Because there are scriptures written in the Old Testament, and I picked out 3 different books from the Old Testament that all say the same thing. So it says right here in Isaiah 42:5, this is what the Lord God says. The creator of the heavens, who stretches them out. Basically, it's saying in Isaiah, which was it's like 600, 700, maybe more years before Christ. So telescope was invented 1500s-ish AD. So Psalm 104:2, the Lord wraps himself in light as with a garment. He stretches out the heavens like a tent. Job 9:8, he alone stretches the heavens and treads on the waves of the sea. Job was, a lot of people say, the oldest book written in the Bible. It may have been written by Moses himself. There is no definite author ascribed to the book of Job. But when you have 3 separate scriptures, and there's other ones, there's at least 2 more, which specifically mention God, the creator, stretching out the heavens. That was proven when we had telescopes, that the universe is expanding. Besides divine inspiration, how can anybody know without a telescope that the universe is expanding. I mean, that's a phenomenal thing, and definitely something to consider when you think about, is the Bible a bunch of stories, or is it actual truth? Because, I mean, how else can anybody explain multiple people saying God stretches out the heavens, and they could not have known that without a telescope? So something to consider. How do you spell love? Our most precious asset in life is not money. I make these videos to help people make money. Why? Because stuff's more expensive, and because banks are willing to pay a lot of money for people to become customers. How do you spell love? Time. You spend time with what is absolutely most important to you. So I want to help people have additional time to spend. You know, if you say God's important to you, spend time in His Word. Spend time in prayer. You know, don't have to worry about money as much watching these videos and signing up for stuff. Second thing I want to mention is affiliates. I have just recently become an affiliate for Covenant Eyes. Some interesting statistics. There are over 4 million pornographic websites on the internet. That's a lot. Average age a person first sees their first pornographic image is 10 years old. Same age as my son. I was introduced to it a little bit younger than that in my life. So Covenant Eyes is amazing software. It's a program to help people, families, individuals, couples. An interesting thing right here. It says, my son was struggling with pornography. He'd found it when he was about 10 on his tablet, unbeknownst to me. We dealt with it as a family, but it came back. You know, it blocks websites that people really shouldn't have anything to do with. It has accountability to where if there is an issue, you know, it can be dealt with. So it's been a porn addict for over 13 years. So I was exposed to it at a young age. Over time, it grew to a full-on addiction. Addiction's never a fun thing in life. I had moments of sobriety, but it was only a temporary fix. It took up so much of my life, you know. This is something that I do feel strongly about. You want to take advantage of, you know, you want to make the most use of your time, and being addicted to anything, you want to be free. So I definitely want to give a shout out. This is something my own family does. We use this. It's on desktop that I'm using to make this video. It's a lot on our laptop, and it's on both cell phones we have. So there is accountability. And my kids, I know that my family will be protected. My kids won't accidentally go to anything that they're not supposed to, and neither will me or my wife. So moving along. I still do have comments off for my videos, but can be reached at churningadventures@gmail.com. I do have a link to Covenant Eyes in the description box down below. If you use my referral link, then you get your first 30 days free to check it out. So anybody dealing with this, please check it out. With that, I'm going to ask y'all to do 3 things. Like this video, share it with anybody who'd be able to benefit from it, and subscribe with bell notifications if you haven't already. With that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.